Tonight we're making homemade pizza. As you can see, the crust has already been rolled up and pre-baked a little. And I always like to put just a little tad of olive oil on the crust because our ovens aren't as hot as the ones that, they have at the pizza parlors. So this kind of helps, I think. We'll find out when we eat it tonight. To put the toppings on, and we like you can have the roasted red peppers if you'd like, or you can also saute the vegetables. I kind of like the fresh vegetables, so this will have very thinly sliced onion and red pepper, mushrooms, and I'm gonna have some basil here, but it hasn't been delivered to me yet. It'll be coming, so just imagine the onion and the basil. And also to do a margarita pizza, I sometimes add the fresh tomatoes and of course the mozzarella cheese. Now we're adding onion, fresh onion, a few slices. And when we're through putting the onion on, we're going to cook the sausage. Now we're adding the cheese. And then I always sprinkle some oregano over it, everything. But also, I haven't put the sausage on, so I will put this on lightly. It looks like the pizza is ready, so we're going to take it out of the oven, get a hot pad here, and then we'll have some great pizza. Here's my pizza paddle that I use. Pull this out first. And there it is. Bye for now, until next time.